Yeah, hello. Once again, it's Richard Dupey here, and this is midweek. I'm picking it from national, but the lucky Tuesday, the second plan, the banker play live, the 80 drop live. But hey, I wanted to do picking today, but no other number is good enough to be added to the three numbers. But I will not blame anybody. I will blame myself for not even watching that is 80. That thing that I used to speak about whenever I'm showing game that the 80 is supposed to jump. I do say the 80 is supposed to jump with numbers on the event. But how? They play 80-23 rather on the event, on the jumping event. You do plan, somebody will come, somebody who don't know anything about Lotto will come and be insulting you, saying nasty things just because you pick jumping. See 80 drop live and they play it with 23. Let's go straight to this plan without wasting much time. First, is going to be a little bit complicated, but you watch it carefully and you will understand. These are the results for last week. They play 84, 51, 70, 20, 35. The machine numbers, they play 79, 76, 87, 82, single 4. Those are the machine numbers. So this is the picking. 12, 61, single 6, 19, 42. Now watch them. Watch plan. First, we see the two-shot picking. They play first 16. They play 16, single 6. If you come to the current, 16, single 6. So last week, they play 70. So back, they play 70 on the same event. So now we have 12, 61 as a two-shot to be played. 12, 61. Okay, that is what is remaining. So you can see it, 1261. Now, if we go to national, okay, if we go to national, that is in the year 2014. You will notice that they have to play single 6 first. Then 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, they will play single 6. 17, but they play the single C 17 first, so it means the plan is going up. So 3 weeks up, 1, 2, 3, the single C's will jump. Watch it here, single C 17. So 1, 2, 3, the single C is supposed to jump. Now see the actual thing here. Here, at event 3209 in national, they play 76 at winning, then they play 70-30 in machine. 4 weeks up, 1, 2, 3, 4. They play 69. Then 3 weeks up from the 69, 1, 2, 3. They play the single 6, 17. So following week, that was last week, they play 20. So following week here, you will see the single 6 jump again on the event. Then you play with 19 and 42. Come to the current. You see the same thing. They play 76 at event 1176. Then they play 70-30 machine. 4 weeks down, that is the 69 at center position. 3 weeks down again, 1, 2, 3. They play single C 17. Then last week they played the 20. So this single C is supposed to jump with the 17. Supposed to jump and play with 19 and then 42. Somebody will ask, why 19 and 42? That is what the event pick. There's, even though the 76, 10, 67, this event is good to play. But this is the reason. Watch here. Another plan also here. They pick the first. Okay, I will do it this way. They pick these 3 numbers first. 16, 26, that is event 3045 national. They pick 16, 26, 44. If you come, you will see 16, 26, 44. Then last week they pick 84. Back on the event again, they pick 84. If you come here, you see that the same 84, that is what they picked. So now we have the 42 remaining as a banker on the event. If you come here, that is the 42 that play with the 19 on this event. The 42 play with the 19 on this event. And again, because of the 3 numbers they played, we can say at event 3046, they play 36 first. Following week, they play these 3 numbers, the 16, 26, 44. Then last week, they play this 35. So we're supposed to be on this event now. That is event 3045. The 19 is there also as a full banker. If you come here, you will see that they play the 36 first. Following week, the 3 numbers 16, 44, 26. Last week, they played 35. So following week here, the 19 is supposed to be played. That is the 19 on the event here. Again, go back to that event. You will still see another 2 show also here. You can see that they play 53 first. On event 3044, they play 56, 53 first. Following week, they play 17. Last week, they play 35. So, first 53. Come here. 53. Following week, they play 17. That is the 17. So, following week again, back to the event, they play 35. That is the 35 also on that event. So the numbers remaining are 61, 42. You see the same 61 here, the same 42 here. That is what the 61 supposed to play with. So 61, 42, and then the 19 should be played with the 3 numbers. The 2 show. That is the picking from there. So these are the 5 numbers: 12, 61, single 6, 19, and then 42. 12, 61, single 6, 19, and then 42. This plan, the single 6 own, I don't know if I should. The single 6 here supposed to play with the 17 again, and then 71, and then 12. Those numbers, they're supposed to play it with the single 6 jumping. Even still in the national itself, you can see that the one here, you will notice that they first play 90. Following week, the 17 single 6 play. Then last week, they play 70. So again, these 2 numbers jump to play on the event. So if you come here, if you come on the event, you see 90, single 6, 17. Last week, 70. So these 2 can jump. Okay, let's hope for the best. Bye for now.